And we decided on our own that we are not going to partake in anything called protest again in Nigeria. That we are going to stay on our own. Because during the enc0urage again, the Yorubas accused us that the protest was led by the Igbos. So for that reason, we said we are not going to join anything called protest. And we are not going to join even the military, that we are going to stay on our own. And the sad news is that Nigerian military doesn't have a good number of military men again. So they need people to fight the insurgency, because those in the military currently are all bandits. And most of them are from the northern side, and they're resisting to their people. So the Nigerian government is fighting by all means to make sure that the Easterners joined, so that they can be able to conquer the bandits. But do you know the bad news? We are not going to join. Yeah, we are not going to join. Instead of any Igbo youth to join Nigerian military, let that person go to his village and join his village security. I myself, I personally organized some youth. I made so many of our youth join forest guard in our village. I made so many of them join security. So we are not going to join any fucking military or any fight in Nigeria.
Watch this video again.
We are also demanding for an end to police brutality and extortion from Anambra states mostly, and Ebonyi State in particular, where we are having series of complaints about police brutality on our people, and we demand an end to it. We are calling on our governors, all the whole governors in Eastern Region, to please put an end to this police brutality and extortion of our youth. Failing to do so, we are also going to write a petition to the IG of Police and also to the heads of House of Rep in Igbo land. Third, we will write petition to the heads of House of Rep and the rest. We are also demanding the right of our people in all the whole Nigeria, the right to vote. We are demanding the right for our people to vote. We are warning MC Oluomo and the rest, who always intimidate, harass our people, stopping them from participating in their own lawful rights. We are demanding an end to it. In this coming election 2027, we are demanding an end to harassment. Any attempt to hinder the vote of our people, we will also retaliate from the East. We are not holding your people not to vote in the East. You must also allow our people to participate on their lawful right in Nigeria.
Do you now understand why you just know that nearly the governor Koji? Do you see the contradiction? Now, you are advising you do not to join military, not to join any force, police. You understand what I'm saying? And you claim that Nigerian soldiers in the military and Fabucha bandits. So imagine whereby that Igbo isolate to the fact that we don't engage ourselves in military, police, or any force in Nigeria. Then Nigerian government also deploy soldiers to our region. Abokwaje the same bandits have carried deploy Remonagana, but that's no more only of banana among. But today, another video surfaced in a police brutality. So if you put that now, open I isolate to go why there is no how I am not a commissioner of police Gabo Nibo. There is no how I am not an IG police Gabo Nibo. But in our comparing police brutality. And then I advocate can be you to have a far joining anything concerning protest and concerning army or concerning police in Nigeria. Now Nigeria need the right to cast their vote. Do you not understand my point? That's why I'm putting now one line about Zubi. A reader knows when to talk and when not to talk. Or if a leader. Watch you know Abona Budike. Ọ bụrụ oge ọbụla ka ọ na-ekwu okwu mana ọkwa akwara sụọ ude ebiri igwe will be calm. Do you understand? Also, Biamma like that no, that is a true Igbo youth leader. That is Africa role. Akpatamoyi ana-awụ ndị gị na fa na-emekọ ife. But when you start talking anyhow, o nwere ife ị ga-abụ n'anya ndị federal government and including n'anya ndị Southeast politicians, you will be nothing to them. Do you understand? Because to this first video, I want they should mind their business. And kete on another video now advocate the right of Kandi Igbo to vote. But in Akwafafa isolate you for na engage in if Obonaga prosper Nigeria. So imagine that na isolate you in Nigeria. So when deploy ya police na ani Igbo ai, ọ bụrụ sọsọ ndị Fulani na ndị bandit ya ma ndị Yoruba, deploy ya ndị amị, ọ bụrụ sọsọ ndị Fulani na ndị bandit ya na ndị Yoruba, before you deploy na Eastern region of Nigeria. Na anyị na-ekwu okwu ndị be anyị join about security. Then who is controlling security? Nigerian government or even police IG nwere ike pụta echi niile dissolve anything concerning vigilante. If you are not involved, you will not change that thing in achọ. Gị nwa bụ onye Igbo niile dị involve na police, dị involve na military, dị involve na air force. Ihe a niile bụ ndị na-control Nigeria, and we must be involved if you really want to change system. Wepụ this emotion ga destroy a lot of our people na this country. Ka ị bido face be reality face mụ na gị na-abụ na Nigeria. Then ọ bụrụ that na ị chọrọ ịbụ for Nigeria, ị fight for ka Nigeria dị mma, ịkwụrụ na ya na kwụsie ya ike, obi esheki na ga-esheki. Na all of us will get this country. Mmadụ ibe gị, no tribe should scare you away or ihe gị egwu. None of us will get them. Don't have to be afraid of any tribe. Itu open a fast way na abia. Let us get ready for it. Onye chọka apịakasịba everywhere, apịakasịba. O kwesịrị na gị nwa bụ ozu obi na-read Igbo youth, the strongest tribe. Na ikwu okwu ga-abụrụ gbim. That is where I'm going. Ọ bụrụ ihe na-akụ call side. Agbakwa gị again. If you want to be straight in ife ị na-eme, ụlụkwa na side ịkwụ maka Igbo youth movement kwụsie ike. Don't debate. Nọkata ịkọba akụkọ Biafra. Ọ ga-enye gị nsogbu. I'm telling you, as onye nọ into maka structure dị na this country. Mana akwa ife ịgba side a, ga-emecha aghọta ife m na-agwa gị. Do you understand? Stop discouraging ndị Igbo not to join military. Military so na power na control this country. Police so na power na control this country. If you don't know, onye Igbo bụrụ IG police Nigeria ọ bụrụ a crime. Etu egide isi a encourage ndị be anyị kabaje 12 vote. Bụkwa etu a gị suppose isi na encourage onye Igbo ka ọ join ya police, join ya military. Onye Igbo mechie echi niile bụrụ CDS Nigeria. Ọ bụrụ arụ ka ọ bụ. Let us stop using sentiment and emotion and some things na-aga on na this country. We need destroy a lot of things. Let us stop isolating ourselves. N'obodo anyị ncha niile nwe. Iji sị mụ na iji because of na ndị Yoruba accuse gị na ndị Igbo na ọnya makpataziri ihe eji wee join ya amị. Government na like protest. Then why ihe eji wee ji because of one ihe ndị tribe or some individual na ọbụrụ fancha kwuru maka gị nwa maka gbasara protest ezi na yara join ya amị na yara join police na ihe eje join security. Kedu ndị na-adị in charge of that security? Kedu ndị na-control ya? I suppose you need dream ịnọ na top, ọ bụrụ ịnọ n'okpuru ebe ahụ na apịghị button. Do you understand?